So for the next section, we have express each set below in set builder notation roster, if possible, and the number line graph. So for the number 5, real numbers greater than 2. So we could just do A equals X such that is an element of real numbers greater than 2. So that would be that. And there is never any rosters for real numbers because you would have to put all the decimals too. So you don't do roster. But there is a graph. So you would do not heavy arrow. Then you could just do 0, 1, and then 2. But you do open circle because it's not inclusive. It doesn't include 2, but it just starts at 2. And then heavy bar because it's everything in between 2, and then heavy bar, so it keeps going on to infinity. Okay, then we have whole numbers greater than 2 and less than 5. Graph from rule, not the roster. So we would do whole numbers, A equals X equals such that element of whole numbers, so that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So that would be 2 is less than X, and X is less than 5, then brackets. So then the roster, there is a roster because there's no, it's not real numbers. So the roster, it's not inclusive, so it would be 3 and 4 because it's in between 2 and 5 and you can't include 2 and 5. And then the graph would be no heavy bar or heavy arrow because it's not real numbers. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since it's graph from the rule, which is this, you would graph 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now we're moving on to the next section.